Hi friends, welcome to IMO videos, standard 8th, video number 35, practical geometry, section C, achiever, toughest one. Match the following. Means you have to match PQRS with 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's start. Construction of a quadrilateral can be possible if at least which of them is correct? See here. For any quadrilateral, 5 elements should be known. So where is this? Is it given? Yeah, 2. 5 independent elements are given. So P is matches with 2. Next, construction of a quadrilateral must satisfy. See here. Triangle inequality and angle sum property of a triangle. See here. We have done it in our video number 32, I think so. Yes, in this chapter only. Check that there was a problem in which the sides were not matching, means the sum of the two sides was less than the sum of the third side. In a quadrilateral, means two triangles were formed and this condition was not satisfied. Check that, you will get the idea from there. Okay, so two triangles inequality must be satisfied and angle sum of a property, sum property of a triangle must be satisfied. So Q matches with 4. A kite can be drawn if its R. So what is required for a kite? Two unequal sides and included diagonal are given. Then you can draw the kite. So S will definitely match with 3 then. A quadrilateral has 4 sides, 4 angles and 2 diagonals. That is correct. Regarding this kite, you need clarity. See here, a kite can be drawn if 2 unequal sides and included diagonal are given. How is it possible? See here, suppose if this side is 5 and this is say 10. So you know these two sides, but you can't draw it right now. What you'll have to draw is, you'll have to draw an arc of 5 over here from this point, and then an arc of 10 over here from this. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.